Today's video guys, I have this. So, gipalitan ko sa kong husband, ani, para mag-workout ko diri sa balay. So, ako siya gamiton today. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. And today's video is, I will use this mat. So, gipalitan ko sa akong lalab. So, ato siya open. Ano yung gunting video? Hindi ba siya kami? Taran! Nakashay pa. Nashay ko ano sa pag-exercise. Nashay mga sample. So ako siya gamitin today. So, ready na for workout. Kasi siya para nabahansihan ko. Husband laughing, I don't know. Are you laughing? Why are you laughing looking at me? You're not laughing with me.
Are you done here?
Yep.
Okay. Because you look so sexy.
Oh my god. That's why you're laughing with
Do some
me.
exercise.
You think I'm sexy. If I'm not sexy, you don't like me.
So, Robanet, let's see some exercise.
Ako siya balik guys para iyahan ko an sa punta eh. Mabalance. I'm back. I will open this again. Para nag-workout guys. Mangita tagka-plastaran. So, ano na siya. So, mag-start na tag-workout guys. workout, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video ay magbuhat ko og spaghetti
Egg cake. Omelette.
na egg cake. Tunod na namo ang spaghetti and then mantika. So, ipagbukalan na nako, guys. Wait for 10 minutes. And we have a sausage, guys. First, we put some oil. That's it.
Over here.
Oh,
Salt. A little bit more. Okay. Milk mixed with the maizena.
okay, milk.
The powder from maize. I'll put it in later. Yeah. Just want to mix this. It's okay. You can. It's almost ready now. And I'll mix it with the milk and maizena. A little bit more milk here.
Okay.
And it's ready soon. So when you finish with the bacon and sausages, put them on the plate, and then this one is coming down. Oh, let's do your way around. Just put them, spread them all over, so they're all over.
Spread.
Yeah, so they're all over the pan.
How many?
And you take down the meat.
Yeah.
Oh, you already tried. Yeah, that's
Four.
good.
Three.
Three, exactly.
Lagi? It's okay. That's it?
Down there on put a little bit further on. This one too can be on 8.
So we wait for
Yeah, now we just wait a little bit.
Okay.
3 minutes or something.
3 minutes. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Salad.
Two?
Yep.
Okay,
Then-
that's it.
Okay.
Here?
Yep.
And here?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it. So ready now.
150 Danish crowns. Thank you,
Here.
Kimmy. Wow.
So it's ready now, guys. This is our dinner.
Take that flag at that town. So always every year or many times during a year, I need to buy a new one.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you. And this vlog na, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!